Hi, good morning, ohayo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipe of salmon, and I hope you will like it. So today I'm going to cook the salmon with a fresh tomato, vegetables, healthy, quick, and easy. So let's start. Please, I have a request. Before we start to watch my video, like and share my channel and subscribe it. So let's start. To make a salmon, I took a belly salmon, the four pieces of salmon, around 20 fresh tomato, cherry tomato. You can take a whole big tomato also, but I recommend you take this cherry tomato because it's too healthy and fresh and very yummy too. I took flour to make a coating for salmon, lemon, fresh parsley chop, garlic, some broccoli. You can take spinach, broccoli, beans, whatever you have, you can use it. And 1 cup of fresh cream, fresh basil, and Parmesan cheese. So let's start. To marinate the fish, I use salt, black pepper, and then another side. Salt and pepper, and just rub it. After marination, I will use flour, all-purpose flour, just coating with flour. Now salmon is ready. Now we will do the shallow fry. First we heat the pan. After heat the pan, we will going to add 2 tablespoon oil. After oil become hot, I will put the salmon. Make sure we no need to cook the salmon 100%. We need to just give a color or around 70%, 30% we need to cook and 70% we will be cooked in the sauce. So after one side it become color, we will change it. Now you can see the color is very good, like a golden color. We close the induction and one by one we will take out the salmon. So in the same pan, I'm going to add first chopped garlic, chili flakes, optional. Just we do the saute little bit, garlic, after garlic saute, I'm going to add tomato. After add tomato, salt, pepper, and cover it. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the tomato becomes soft. Now I'm going to add fresh cream, and then cover it again. After 3 to 5 minutes, you can see the tomato is very soft now. Now I'm going to add broccoli, already boiled, and some fresh basil, then fresh parsley, Parmesan cheese, and very important, lemon zest. And now mix it properly. You can see the sauce is very look good and yummy and healthy. Now it's time to put salmon, and just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So now our salmon fish with the creamy sauce and vegetable is ready. Now it's time to serve.